Hey. Good morning, fellow traders. How we doing, fellas? Matty Matt. Yep, let's go, Matty Matt. 150K sale for the $85 lifetime fee. You know what I should have done? I'm upset at myself that I didn't do this because I actually thought about doing it. When the 90% sale was, I was seriously debating about buying a bunch of 150Ks just in case they do some kind of promo with the one-time fee. I was really close to doing it, and then I was like, I'm not. And then I didn't do it. So now I wish I would have saved myself about $20 per account. Yeah, the 150Ks are still not easy to pass, but they are way easier to pass than the 250s. That I do know. I can pass 150Ks, I can pass 150Ks without YOLOing them and without using news. I know I can. I've done it in the past. It's not easy, but the 250Ks are just way harder to do that. It's Nutty Bar time. You know what time it is? It's time for some coffee and Nutty Bars. Let's go. It's going to be a great day, guys. It's going to be a great day. Hey, good morning, Amelia Stitcher, Matty Matt, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good morning, Slaya, Amakre, Lee, Pine Tree Trader, Namak, good morning, Ryan, good morning, Goan Trades, Nicholas, Artie Trading, Lawrence, MDK, good morning, everyone. Trader J, good morning. Let's get it. Let's have a good day today. How about it? Hey, you're back for moral support. Let's go, Carbon Hooligan. I always need moral support. SPVC, good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Ronnie. From London. Let's go. Hey, AO44, good morning. No, it's too early to get your teeth kicked in. Way too early. But man, what a move here. We're just slowly selling off here. Starting to think maybe we look at the daily chart. We made a high. The overnight session made new all-time highs. We're at the 370s now. But since those all-time highs at 330, we've just kind of pulled back. So I don't know what to expect. We're just going to wait and see. You can taste that bar from here. Oh, yeah, trust me. It's really good. Oh, okay, Matty Matt. Nice. We will not be allowed to go on tilt anymore. Hey, that's it. That's what it takes, man. We need some summer payouts. Let's go, Matty Matt. You got some sweet payouts earlier in the year, so you know you can do it. You got this. You got this. I remember, Matty Matt, you bought a new truck with your payout, and now you want to get another payout so your wife gets a new car. I love it. Yeah, I'm definitely still kind of interested in longs, but it is also, it wouldn't be a shocker if we have a red day. It's been a while since we've had a red days as far as the market goes, you know. So hopefully that, I don't know. I would prefer the market just keeps going up. I prefer that. No Lambos for this. I was saying Patrick keeps buying Lambos and like it's like they're hotcakes. Here I am. I can only afford the miniature 1/8 scale Lambos. But hey, I guess you got to start somewhere. Market is open, boys. Get locked and loaded. Hey, good luck, Artie Trading. Good luck. Yeah, I think he traded in the Hummer and the Bronco, which he only had that Hummer for what? A week? Maybe 2 weeks? It's like, well, man, the guy, whatever, dude. Yeah, Nvidia is just crazy. Hey, good morning, Roger Sam. Good morning. All right. What are we doing, market? Is the market finally going to go lower? All right, here we go. This is the pre-market lows right here. Always an important level. How low will she go? How low will she go? All right, here we go. All the way down to the 210s. See if we I mean, this thing's just selling off. It is looking like the bulls are in control, or bears are in control right now. All right, now bouncing off the 210s. Man, I'm getting that temptation again to trade here in the mornings. Oh. Yeah, this looks like it's not done selling off yet. The 2200 level is going to be an important level, though. All right, here we go. Down through. See if we go through the 200s or not. Here we go. And there we go down. The 200s don't hold. I don't know. We probably looking at the 160s. All right, what are we doing? Man, it's tempting here to just try to buy a dip here, but every time I try it, it usually doesn't end well for me. Getting a little bit of a bounce right off of that 200 level. That's something I struggle with trading, like just taking a set level, just taking it and trading it. I don't know. I struggle with that. Or buying bottoms. It's just, it goes against my DNA, or I'm just not good at it. All right, sorry, I was focusing on my charts there for a second. Hey, good morning, design. Good morning. How we doing? Drone look rhythmic haven't updated yet. Hey, nowhere man. How we doing? Kellyanne now deleting comments on her channel. Yeah, I'm not shocked. That's funny. That's funny, nowhere man. The difference is that she thinks if people break the rules, they should still get paid out. That's the difference, which is pretty crazy. But that, I mean, that's something I've asked for as well. And her echo chamber, she doesn't like that. If the 160s don't hold, we gotta call Ponzi. That's true. Is Rhythmic lagging for anyone? It wasn't for me. Anyone else having issues? I was actually really curious this morning with the sales and everything. How will Rhythmic handle this? All right, here we go. Gosh, this is where I struggle. Oops. That was, dang it. Are you kidding me? All right, we're not going to count that mute. We're just going to chalk that mute up as I was on the phone or something. We're just going to pretend like it didn't happen. All right? How's that? I get to make the rules on the mutes, so I don't really see an issue with that. I don't know what you're talking about. I never seem to see you trading evals. Yeah, go ahead and trades. I usually don't showcase trading evals. I quite frankly don't think it's really worth it because I don't know. Evals don't matter. Eval lives don't matter. I'm in that camp. I I'm going to make a shirt. I'm going to make a shirt that says eval lives don't matter. No, I don't really show myself trading evals just because I don't know. I don't see the point. I want to show something that matters, or I don't know. That's just my take. I don't understand the, I don't understand why someone would watch and take interest in trading evals, but hey, it's all right. I'm just, man, look at this move. I hate you, market. And honestly, most of my evals, I pass. I usually pass them on news events and stuff because I just don't. I don't invest the time to trade them strategically, if you know what I mean. So, and who wants to watch YOLOing? I don't have any shame admitting it either. I don't have any shame admitting. And we're not getting any pullbacks. It's just straight up. Man, oh man. We're pushing the opening here. Or actually, we already got past it. 15-minute opening range is now in. Oh, man, at this point, we got to be looking at longs here, I think. I think we got to be looking at longs. We got to wait for a pullback, though. Got to wait for a pullback. This is maybe what the bulls wanted. Get a short squeeze. And now we're just going to take this thing higher. No mercy. Man, I got this annoying cough this morning. ES had 9 green days in a row. Are you serious? I mean, I'm not even sure why we're shocked. Why are we even surprised at this point? It shouldn't be a surprise. NQ goes up. We all know this. This is not breaking news. NQ only goes up. Yeah, that was my dip buy, but I prefer to get a pullback to. I mean, you'd have to think this is going to pull back and at least test this 230 range, 230 area maybe. If it doesn't, and we just rip above the VWAP here, then we just got to be a little bit more aggressive maybe. Oh, wow. Look at that. I need to double check. Is there any news today? I really miss my news indicator that I used to have. 10 a.m. consumer confidence. That's nothing. Nope. No news today. I'm trying to determine when's my next, when do we have the next big news event that we can try to pass some 150Ks? Looks like Tuesday. No, never mind. That's Canadian. Man, News is relatively flat the next couple of weeks. Yeah, the news at 8:30 today didn't really make that big of a difference. A little bit, but nothing major. How about right now, just go long? Why not? Why not? I would go long. I want to wait for the right opportunity. Right here, 230s. This is my magic number here. We can pull back to the 230s. Then we got to pull the trigger. I'm seriously debating about using 2 contracts today. As you guys saw in yesterday's video, I got to be careful how loud I say this because I don't want to be labeled as a schemer and a scammer. But these 50K accounts, they're looking kind of I mean, if I can get another payout on the 50K accounts, that's great. I am ecstatic. But I'm going to be a little more aggressive on those 50K accounts because if I can then replace those 50Ks with 150Ks and have lifetime fees, I don't know. To me, that sounds like a pretty good deal. So, you know, I guess we'll see. Yeah, crude oil inventory is 11, but Daryl got a little too much sun in the upper deck. Hey, you got to get that vitamin D. Vitamin D is important. Aggressive is 5 contracts. Yeah, we're not doing. Okay, that's insanity. For me, being aggressive equals, whoa, we're down at the 230s here. That's time to pay attention. All right, hang on. Everybody hold up. But me being aggressive is trading 2 minis. How long is the Apex promo you are? This is good until, geez, now I'm blank. I don't even remember. Hang on. July the 9th. July 9th is the 80% sale, but you can use the lifetime activation fee is good until August 15th, which is, to me, that's the good part of this promo is the activation fee. That's the important promotion here. Okay, this is a little scary here. But we got to do what we said we were going to do. This could easily keep going. This could easily keep pulling back here, though. But hey, if we're wrong, we're wrong. We just move on. I don't like it. I don't like this. Rip it. Ribbit. It doesn't want to do it. It's being stubborn. It's being stubborn. This feels like one of those moves where it's going to rip lower, hit my stop, and then it's going to make its move higher. Come on, right here. Come on, bulls. Get in here and rip this thing. You know you want it. You know you want it. Rip it. Boom, let's go. Mission accomplished. You love to see it. You love to see it. Now, if you want to rip lower, be my guest, and we might re-enter if we get down. As long as we failed to make new lows, then I'm going to look to buy. If I got my money, you mean from this just recent payout? From my approval? I don't even know. Let me log into my bank account right now and see. I didn't even think that it would be here by now. Let me see. I wouldn't be mad. I would not be mad. When I always just expect the payment to be like the latest at when it can be. Yeah, the 14K. Yep. Let's see. Let's all log into my bank account and see. Just kidding. I'll do it on my own. I'll do it on my own. And let's see. It is not been deposited yet, which I didn't really expect it to, but hey, some people I noticed that they do get paid very early, so I'll keep checking every day. You got mine from the first, took 20 days. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader. It just depends. Sometimes they make payment early. The next time they'll make the payment on the last day. It just is what it is. Set alerts for deposits in your bank account. That's not a terrible idea. Your 3K still pending. You're still waiting for approval. Yeah, I saw a lot of people are still waiting approval. I mean, yeah, I'm not. All right, looks like we are pulling back a little bit more here. Hang on, I gotta do something here. Oh my, you scared me. What's up, bud?
Just want to say good morning to everyone. Good morning.
What's your plan for today? By the way, guys, look at his shirt.
It does not mean I'm a Browns fan, okay?
Yeah, it does. Of course he's a Browns fan. Come on.
Mom, we were at the store and I saw this and I'm like, I don't want this. And then my mom was over here like, yes, get it for your father.
Come on, don't.
I'm not lying. That's what happens.
You know you don't have a choice. You're gonna be a Browns fan. You might as well accept it now, and it'll be fine.
I don't know.
He's ready for the steamy swamps. Browns. Oh yeah, you. I can't wait till football season. I cannot wait.
Almost forgot the VR. It's nice.
Do you have a Browns? If I have a football helmet, no, I don't. I should get one and trade with the Browns helmet. Uh. Man, I'm tempted here to go long again. I'm doing it. Might have been a bad idea. Come on, man. Is he really gonna just keep pulling back? Okay, okay. We're gonna get stopped out here. Wow. We are actually making new... Are we gonna make new lows here? Very interesting indeed. Now we just gotta wait. Now we wait. Now we wait. All right. Are we just gonna keep bleeding lower? Rhythmic is lagging. It's like a whole minute late. Neo? Not for me. I feel like people that are experiencing lag, like if you're experiencing lag, that can also be your PC or your platform. Doesn't mean it's rhythmic or I mean the trade I just got in was no lag at all. I'm not experiencing any lag. Had a 20-point stop. Where? What do you mean? I don't know what you... that was a 10-point stop. Hey, good morning, John. 2 a.m. after traveling 25 hours from Asia. Did a Wendy's run, 2 days singles and a large fry. Let's go, John. Let's go. Oh, you love to see it. You love to see it. We are just slowly bleeding lower. It's tempting to try going long again here, but I think I need to potentially just wait. This thing might want to just keep going lower today. We might have ourselves a down day. Who knows? I gotta do some things here. We have made new lows. Wow. Will it hold? Will it hold? Man, it's tempting here to buy this double bottom. But that's how I get in trouble usually. Sorry, guys. I need to update a drawing here before I go any further. You may revenge mortgage the house to go long. I wouldn't recommend it. Hey, Almighty. Friend made 1,200 in one day, and they just requested a payout from 25K account. Total balance is 26.5. I feel bad. Yeah, he's probably not getting approved. Almighty, that's probably not gonna fly. That is probably not gonna fly. But hey, I guess you never know. Just got a payout on your 50K account. When will it show up on my Apex dashboard? So your payout was approved? Is that what you're saying? Or did you just reach your target just now? Oh, so you can put a payout request in. I see what you mean, Mitch Marvin. So wait until tonight. As soon as the accounts update at the end of today, which should be between 6 and 7 o'clock, then you will have from that time until midnight tonight to request your payout. But you have to put in your payout request before midnight tonight to hit this payout window. If you pass the threshold but need more trading days, can you open? I don't think, Christopher, that, I mean, 2 of the 10 days you can flip micros for 2 of the 10 days to count as a traded day. Yes. Yeah, I see, Almighty. Yep. Oh, wow. Look at this. We are below the... Wow, this thing is just really going off. It is really going off here, guys. Where are we going? Where are we going, market? Woo! The longs are getting squeezed now. That's a yikes. Wow. This is a pretty crazy sell-off here. 100 points. 100 points lower from the highs here. Got a feeling a lot of people got trapped here. This is the one time that the bulls are getting trapped. The bears are probably like, ha, see how that feels like. Now we just, I don't know. I want to just be careful here. I might just think about taking a short. This thing is just, it just keeps going. He just wants to keep going. Through the 150s now. Wow. Are you kidding me? All the way down to the 140s. 145s. Wow. See, this is where using a stop loss. I know a lot of people want to complain about stop losses and how they don't help and everything, but right here is a perfect example of where a stop loss saves a lot of pain. Saves you a lot of pain. A lot of pain and suffering. All right, I need to do a rendering here. Oh, shoot. My computer might lag here a little bit. Oh man, it's time to maybe think about just going short and holding on. Wow, look at that move. We are down to the 130s, 135s now. Oh. Wow. She ain't stopping today. Let's go, Kid Poker. Let's go, Kid Poker. Up 3K on 150K. Let's go. When do you usually replenish your eval accounts? I'm not sure what you mean replenish. I mean, oh, I try to do it on a 90% sales. Hey, can we get a pullback there or something? And I think I'm gonna look to, I'm gonna look for an entry short, but we got to get some kind of pullback here before I do it. Okay, we are finally getting. Oh, this is where I always get scared because I always get scared right here. I don't know. Feel like I should be looking for a short here, but we've just seen it so many times when we just get these V-shaped reversal moves, and I hate it. I think we're just gonna wait for a little bit longer. It scares me. That's what I have a stop loss for. I mean, that's true. That is very true. But obviously, if if we don't have to take a loss, that's ideal. Hang on, I have to use the restroom. I will be right back. All right, we're back. Okay, what did we ooh. All right. This is interesting. Man, it's so tempting here. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm looking for a little bigger move here. Uh-oh. I don't like that price. Come on, flush it. And I wish I had more than one contract here. You kidding me? Ah, man, I hate when I let a trade go from green to red. My pet peeve. It's not looking good. That's just unfortunate. Oh, man. Ah, that was painful. Ah, had I just kept my original ATM, everything I would have gotten filled and we'd be at break even right now. Ah, that's rough. V-shaped recovery again. My arch nemesis. This is my. This is always where I hate it. I actually hate it. But it is what it is. I mean, I could have been a little more patient, waited till this EMA test, or waited till the the 200s. But this is where I actually have to be very careful, because starting to feel a little antsy. Starting to get, the juices are starting to flow a little bit. This is gonna upset me. Hey, good morning, Carngill. Good morning. How we doing? Nice, nice Faisal. That's awesome. This is where it's so, it just gets very hard for me to trade it, because it just, I don't need to trade. I don't need to trade. That's what I need to remind myself of. But right now I have a major conflict, because this is why I just don't like trading short, like going short. I just hate it. It seems like going short, at least for my trading, literally my loss rate on shorts versus longs is astonishing. I should just make a new rule: never go short ever until the market trend is actually, long-term trend is lower. It just, like, this happens. It happens every time. It feels like so frustrating. Because, like, we have these big moves lower, which is fine, but there's no, like, continuation of it. It just moves lower, and then it does the V-shaped reversal back up. Gets me. It gets me every time. And it really triggers. It really triggers me. Makes me want to break things. Look at this. Right back up. Oh, I tell you what. And we'll never see that price again. I'll get a wall-size banner. Do not short. Market only goes higher. Oh, man, I tell you what. I'm more upset, to be honest. I'm more upset at myself right now than anything, because for some reason I got it in my stupid head that this is going to just have a nice move lower and I can capture like 90 ticks instead of my regular normal 22 ticks. What's really funny is I literally talked to a friend I was literally talking to a friend yesterday about this. How for me to be successful and for me, like, is to just be totally okay with capturing 22 ticks at a time. Like, I don't look for these huge moves. I just look for 22 ticks at a time, take it, and I move on to the next trade. And then, of course, I don't do it here and now, and of course, it cost me. That's a difference of over like $450 difference because I did not just do my standard. I need to. Hey, oh, the 160s. Nice, nice. Ah, so frustrating. Man, I'm tempted to go. Man, Hey, hard hat trading, you passed 150K. Let's go. That's awesome, hard hat. Because I was talking about that earlier, and I was thinking of doing the same thing last month. I wasn't going to try to pass it, but I thought about buying some 150Ks for the 90% sale and then just holding them in hopes that we can get the $85 lifetime fee. So that's awesome, hard hat trading. That is awesome. Feels good. Feels good. Don't use a stop loss and don't short. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. I just now saw your message. Let's go. Hey, that's right, guys. Friendly reminder. Don't forget to hit that like button. Promise it won't hurt. Hard hat trading can see the future. Ooh. I need to just. I need to commit if I want to. It really does look like it's just gonna keep going higher. Oh my gosh. Hmm. Why I'm just bleeding back down to VWAP now? Interesting. Time for Janet Yell to bring out the punch again. It only hurts for a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. I need to commit. I'm right now I'm on the fence if I need to stop trading for the day because I am feeling pretty frustrated, to be honest. Janet Yellen is talking today. What a troll. How can the same thing happen today? And there it is. I know. The problem is I always pick one of two things happen. Like it seems inevitable when we have these pullbacks. One of two things is what I do. Either I will try to buy the dips, and I fail, or I will be patient and wait and to short the bounces. And it feels like either way I lose. $187 days of shoplifting left until Christmas. Here comes the pullback. I'm telling you, I will be. Oh, I'm gonna just have to. God. Oh, that's right. Today's the first day of summer. By the way, here in Ohio this week, it has been hot. It has been hot and humid. Oh, wow. 100 degrees in Maine. Wow. Hey, Daniel Garcia now. Hey, you be careful. You watch your mouth. You watch your mouth. Uh, let's trade some corn. JMB. Can you trade corn? Can you trade corn? I don't even know. I don't even care. Hey, let's go, Rajan. 1850K accounts. Let's go. That's awesome. Congratulations. That's an awesome payout. It's awesome. Let's get it. And beans and lumber. Why don't we just take a stab at it? Hey, you know what? Maybe what I should do. Maybe I should buy some 150K accounts. And I don't know. Maybe I should. It's a thought. Yeah, ZC is corn. Yep. You just bought 6. Let's go. Lean hog trading and trade the hogs. I'm pretty sure there would be a niche industry for that. I'm sure there would be a niche industry for that. And we go right back up. Yeah, I just feels like I don't have a good. Just feels like today I do not have a good grip on the market. Not just feels off. I'm not going corny on you guys. I don't know, maybe. I should find out what is used to create nutty bars, and then whatever that is, that's what I'll trade. They don't let you trade chemicals like that. Oh, yeah, duh, peanuts. Can you trade peanuts? It should say on the package, sugar. Probably sugar. Let's go, Trader J. You like Nutty Bar? That's awesome. Tate. You always try to trade sugar, but the missus always throws haymakers. Hey, that's right, Trader J. You know, somewhere I saw this tweet. I had to I gotta show this tweet because I felt I resonated with it. I really did. If I can find it. Now watch. Hang on, can I find my... Oh, I wish I could find that tweet. I'll just do the summary of the tweet. Basically, the tweet was from a guy. So this guy is like, I don't even know how to call it, but he wants to live as long as possible. And he's spending $2 million a year on his... the guy goes completely extreme with his health, like being healthy, and like it's like extreme. Like he's spending $2 million a year on staying as healthy as possible. So his goal is to live until he's 120. Is it Brian Johnson? I don't know. Let me search. Yeah, that's him. That's him. But I just saw it. I googled him, and this is what came up. I didn't Google him, but this is what came up. Oh, you gotta love it, man. I love the internet sometimes. They this is what he showed. Someone said Brian Johnson, age 46, supplements, diet, gene therapy, spends $2 million on his health, and then beside him you have, and he's age 46, okay? Age 46. Then you have Hunter Biden, mostly lives off cocaine. And he's 54 years old. They don't look that much different. Oh, I'm sorry. That's funny. I'm sorry, but that's funny to me. Oh, man. But okay, here's my take on it. First of all, if that is what Brian Johnson enjoys doing, like if he gets fulfillment from doing that, that's fine, okay? But why would you, like, there's a happy medium here, like anything, but I'm not going to torture myself, and I'm not going to torture myself all my life just so I can live longer. Like, what is the point of that? Like, what is the point of making yourself miserable just so you can live longer? And this guy, but what the original tweet was about and why it was so funny to me is this guy had like a tweet thread of everything that Brian Johnson does to stay young and to stay as healthy as possible. So he makes, it was like 10 tweets in a row of, he does sleep therapy. He takes 100. This guy takes 104 supplements a day, 104 pills a day he takes. And the guy's crazy. Okay. But then in the comment section, he goes below, people were just, one guy commented, said, man, if I had to do all of that, I would prefer to die sooner rather than live longer. Oh, it was funny. It cracked me up. It tickled me. And of course, other people were commenting that this guy does all this so he can live till he's 120 years old. He's like, watch, he's gonna get hit. He's gonna die in the most random way. Or what? What is the point of? Yeah, like the other guy. There was a comment that said, "Man, I need to find that tweet." Oh, how is there a way that I can? Oh, I should have bookmarked the tweet. Is there a way I can look at my likes? There's got to be a way, right? Market, you're just going to go higher. Go ahead. I don't even care. See if I care. I'm going to catch you. I'm going to get you back, market. This day is not over. I have not given up yet. Oh, by the way, guys, did you see Trades by Matt? What the payout amount that he requested on? So this is the first payout that Trades by Matt can request where he can, there's no limit, right? So there's no limit. And the amount that he requested, all 20 accounts, it added up to $69,420. Get it? $69,420. That was pretty genius. What a goat. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Here. Like right here. This is what this was just this pay period, not for the month, but this was this pay period, and he got approved on Monday. The amount is $69,420. TBM with the ultimate goat withdrawal. I thought that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I think he was hoping no one would see it because he responded to my tweet and he's like, no, he hadn't even dropped his video yet. I assume he's going to do a video on that withdrawal, but I thought it was pretty good. He's going down in history. I mean, dude, Trades by Matt has been killing it. Think about what Apex must make in profit per month to be paying 12 mil a month. 12 mil, 25 mil, Kid Poker. Apex has been averaging 25 million a month the last 3 months. I mean, I don't think people realize how much money Apex makes. I really don't think people grasp that because every payout video, there's a lot of comments going back. Like you can literally go back in my top 10 videos from July, August of last year. And people were saying, back then, oh, this is not sustainable. Apex can't keep making these big payouts. This is not sustainable. Like they've been talking and saying that for like every month. and I really don't think people understand how much money that Apex makes. There's you know, John, blah blah. T-Man was so bad a year plus ago. This would be motivation that you can get better and you can make big money doing this. Yeah, I agree. It gives me motivation. And I mean, on a very smaller scale, I can even relate to it. I say used to, I'm still not, I'm not a good trader about or consistently profitable yet in my eyes, but going from no payouts to at least now 66,000 in now 6 months, I'll take it. I will take it. If I have any idea how many Apex subscribers are actually trading a live account, I don't know exactly how many know. I mean, this is me just assuming. I don't have actual numbers. I've asked for them. I've never gotten that number, and they just said they have a lot, which I kind of question because, like I've always said, I mean, it just does not make sense for someone to trade a live account. It just doesn't. And I really, I don't know. I really question if, you know, if they have or if they have it. I mean, they cannot have a lot because I know of two people that I have, you know, direct communication with that, you know, were offered a live account, but both of them declined, and both of them had over $1 million in payouts. So, and again, it's like, it's not really like it's anyone's fault. It's just, it doesn't make sense to trade on a live account. It just doesn't. You're literally sacrificing about 25% of your profits. And that does not make sense to do for most people. Now, I had one guy that said he is going live with Apex, but he sent a little bit of proof, but not actual of him trading the live account. So I kind of use that in a little bit of a gray area, I guess, but I need to just believe this uptrending move now. I just need to believe it. Oh, man. I can't believe we did a V-shaped reversal like this. I mean, I don't know why I'm so shocked by it. It happens every day. So, 100%, why risk your money when you can prop firm trade it and learn one the cheap? Yeah, Trader J, I agree. If you have a live account, do you lose your other accounts? Yes, DL. So basically, when they ask you to go to a live account, you are given the choice. Kind of, basically, it turns into leverage. Like, leverage is the big thing. Like, they will basically give you X amount of leverage that equals the 20 accounts if that's what you want. So that, from what I understand anyway, now usually Apex, here's the other thing, like I've seen from emails shared with me on how people, or how Apex puts people to a live account, and they actually make it very attractive, or they make it as attractive as they can. I've seen offers from Apex that basically they are offering people to go to a live account, and instead of taking 10% profit, they present it that, hey, if you go live, we'll do a 5% profit cut only instead of a 10%. So they try to make it attractive, but it's still the same thing. Like, it still kind of ends up, you know, hey, is it really worth it? I think for the most part, the only thing that would be a benefit over a live account is that leverage. But other than that, there's really just not much upside to going to a live account. It really isn't. And the only prop firms that actually take people to a live account consistently are prop firms that hold your profits hostage, where basically the only way that you have like you can only withdraw a certain amount of your profits, and then the rest of it has to be used in a live account, and you have to continue trading X amount of days in order to be eligible to withdraw those profits. So they kind of hold your profits hostage in order to get you to trade in a live account. And I don't really agree with that either. So, I think that's probably the biggest flaw in the prop firm industry, so to speak. I don't really know how you fix it, but right now that's my biggest concern if prop firms get regulated, is how all of that kind of is handled, and how that honestly is that's my biggest concern would be, or if I was a prop firm owner, I would be concerned about that. Doesn't Take Profit Trader force you into live accounts on the Pro Plus? Yeah, go in trades. Yeah. A lot of them will force you into a live trade. And so, for example, like Take Profit is a good example. So Take Profit has a buffer zone. So that's one way that prop firms do it. So you need to, you can withdraw funds above the buffer zone, but then they use that buffer zone to then move you into a live account. But you can never withdraw money that goes into the buffer zone. If you do, it closes the account. So that's what I mean. It kind of holds it hostage, which, it is what it is. And Top Step does the same thing. And Top Step does it a little bit differently, where you have to have 30 days trading of $200 in profit or more. And here's the catch with Top Step that, in the fine print. So if you're on a XFA account and you've traded 20 days and you have 20 days of $200 in profit or more, and then they move you to a live account, you can only withdraw 50% of your profits. So then the other 50% is moved into the live account. Now, once you are actually in a live account, your 30 days trading days resets. So now you need to trade 30 days of $200 in profit again in order to actually be able to withdraw all of those funds. Okay, I just need to jump. I need to buy these pullbacks, and what happens, happens. I'm scared though. I need a quick win. I just need a quick win here. No doubt about it. Just get me in, get me out, and then we can do another. We'll go again. No, I do not need this. We be patient. Does Apex give daily withdrawal for live account? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what it looks like on the live account. I've never been there. Doesn't make Apex take the management of unprofitable periods of time off your hands? Kind of. Not really. Under what umbrella would the prop firms be regulated? Surely not trading. It would be I think it would be under the trading. I guess I don't know, Dan. I'm not sure. What if you refuse the live account, Pips Hunter? So for example, with Top Step, if you refuse the live account in their contract, you only get 50% of the profits and then they close the account. If with Take Profit Trader, it's basically the same thing. You close the account and then you can withdraw 50% of the profits you have in there. This trade is making me nervous. It's not my day, folks. It is not my day. Bopper. Their strategy might be hit and miss across months. Yeah, Lee, I guess. Do I just kill this thing? Man. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. That's awesome. That's awesome. You love to see it. All right, right here. We got to get going right here. This trade is going to fail. Yikes. That's a yikes. We're just... Oh, man. How we doing? How we doing, Ponzi? Good name for a band is Scammers and Schemers. That's true. Oh. All right, giving me one final glimpse of hope here. It's keeps giving me a little bit of hope, and then it just sells it right back down. Yeah, there she goes. That's the worst trade to be in, I feel like, is when the market keeps giving you just a little bit of hope, only to rip it away from you. What's happening on this trade? All right, this is the final straw. We gotta... Ouch. Ouch. Alrighty then. It's not my day. Now we're right back to where we started on this account. Cannot get it going on this account. Just seems like we have a good day, couple good days, one bad red day. I've already told you that short profit won't do. I mean, that's an opinion that isn't. Then how come I have? How would I be able to get payouts then if that's the case? Yeah, Ponzi. Which copy trader do I use? I don't really do copy trading at the moment. But if I do use one, I use the affordable indicators one that comes with the account dashboard. Sorry, I was taking some moment to reflect on just wow, man. And we are going lower, folks. See what we do here at the 180s. Other thing is, these moves are pretty big. We've had some pretty big moves today. From the 260s selling down to the 120s, and then we bounced from the 120s to the 230s. Some pretty decent moves. Pretty decent moves. Plenty of ways to lose money today. There's plenty of opportunities to lose money today. You would be green if you tilted like Matt. I don't know. Frustrating today. But it happens. I really should not keep trading. I really shouldn't. But I kind of want to. There's a lot of thoughts going through my mind. Not all of them good. Yeah, red days are only okay if you can accept them. I agree. I can accept this loss. I can accept it. I just don't like it. Aaron comment in the chat. Yelling. Use your indoor voice in here, please. We just continue to bleed lower now. Hmm. I don't know what to do. I think I need to just walk away. Walk away, and it's just not my day. It's okay. How are you guys doing? Are you guys having a green day? I hope. tempting me. I keep wanting to buy this, keep wanting to go along here. What I like to do versus what I am doing is two different things. Timbo's green, black coffee's green. Let's go. I miss Grizzly. I never thought I'd hear that. Had a good day on the London session. Let's go. Orlando blew a few. As long as they were just evals. One PA that was life support. Green on the other 7 PAs. Let's go NP. Last week of Contray is always a bit of a challenge. Yeah, it is. It is, but you're working today. Let's go, D. I wish I would have just gone to work today. That would have been a good idea. Green for the morning and in a trade right now. Good luck. Good luck. Trying to review my trades today. First trade here, you know, I was basically wrong on all of my trades today. Like, I was just wrong on every one of my trade. I mean, this one was a winner, but technically I was, you know, wrong. Took another trade here. Took a loss. This one here is what upset me the most. These V-shaped reversals. And then finally I look to go with this channel, and then it's just rip lower. Go figure. But it's okay. Here's my thought process right now. I'm not sure it's healthy. I'm not sure this is a good way to look at things. But I've been debating, like, I needed to make a decision on how aggressive am I going to be on my 50K accounts that I've just gotten a payout from. Because if I'm going to be aggressive on them, obviously there's a chance we're going to lose quite a bit, and then replace them with 150K accounts, which we don't even have yet. Seems a little counterintuitive, or I'm just not sure that that's a smart idea. If this goes back up here, I definitely need to just stop trading for the day, because that is gonna put me. That's gonna make me. That's gonna put me on tilt. That's gonna put me on tilt. Nobody wants me on tilt. That's not a pretty sight. That is not a pretty sight. See this price action right here? This is what makes me mad. This is when it feels like you and the market are having hand-to-hand combat. And you're ready to fight. You are ready to fight. Oh, I feel it. I can feel it. And not until everything is over and everyone's bloody do you realize that it was an unfair fight. You never had a chance. You never had a chance. That's always what it feels like. Like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I wasn't ready for that. That was not a fair fight. You gotta love the markets some days. You know what I need? I need to go do a little work. I need a little 2-minute workout session. All right. I need a 2-minute workout session and we'll reevaluate. Give me a second. I think I feel better. Nope, I don't feel better already. Market can't pick a direction. Man, it's so some crazy. I don't know. This feels like a tough market to trade right now. I don't know why I just feel like I want to keep trading. And today's lesson with Nutty, we all practice breathing so we don't go full Hulk tilt. I want to. Oh, I was so close to pulling the trigger long there, and I didn't do it. David Kowaleski, which indicator are you saying? Are you asking this one? This indicator is free on Tradeovate. It's the Wada Atar explosion indicator. It is free on Tradeovate, but you have to, for Ninja Trader you have to buy it. I think you have to anyway, or I did, and it's on Trade Devil's indicators. My patience is being I really think we're going to rip this thing higher. Hmm. DL, someone I know that uses Apex mentions there's a new 80% any eval. Yeah, DL. I mean, 150K, 250K, or 300K. $40 for evals. That's the deal right now. Are you trying to entice me that I should just... You can feel the tilting energy through the screen. That's fair. That's fair. I have put myself in a mental timeout. Okay, but after that, I might take one more trade. It's just the way it is. If it goes against me, if I take the loss, then I've got to stop trading for the day and take it like a man. And I will I'll go curl up on the couch and take a long nap. And what else? What else could we do? Probably go maybe eat a couple Nutty Bars and call it a day. John, what happened to my guardian angel? I still have it, but I only use it for I only use the guardian angel trader to shut down my trading for the day. I don't use it per account. I was having some issues. I think actually supposedly those have been fixed, to be fair, but I just don't really trust it. I had some issues with it in the past, and I still use it. I'm not ready yet to press that button. I'm not ready to press that end trading for the day button. I'm just not mentally ready yet to do that. Even though even though I probably should, in hindsight, we might look back and say, oh, Nutty, if only you would have stopped trading for the day. That could happen. We might also look back at this moment in time and say, oh, remember when we took a little mental break and then we came back and at the end of the day, we ended the day green? What? Say what? That might happen as well, okay? We got to look at both options here. We got to look at both options. Make a fair evaluation. What is your rule for losses? What amount do you stop? You're not supposed to ask that type of question right now, DL. I'm not mentally okay with answering it. Dang. DL hitting me where it hurts. It depends. But usually my daily loss limit is $600 to $700. Okay. But today I'm having a tough time I'm having a hard time with reading numbers. It's just really hard for me. Can't really make out the numbers right now, how much I'm down. I think it's 300, 380. Is that, I think? I think it might be delusion, but I'm not ready yet. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. We might have to put in a disclaimer. We might have to do a disclaimer and do a full, like, just warning. How does the sound go? Bah, bah. Warning. Tilt session enabled. Warning. Oh, dude. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. Why I don't use Replicanto anymore? They were exposed a little bit in doing some very shady stuff, so just not going to promote them anymore. Okay. All right, what's the deal here? Design. We have a reactor meltdown. Everybody take cover. Everybody take cover. Run for the hills. We're selling off, folks. We are selling off. I'm actually surprised that I didn't go long right here. I'm genuinely shocked. Genuinely pleased. I'm genuinely pleased with myself. Holy, what a move lower. Wow. That's a wowzers. All right, we're gonna do it. We're in full reactor meltdown. Aisle 5. You kidding me? You're just gonna rip higher now. Are you serious? Son of a... You have got to be kidding me. My... You gotta be kidding me. All right, me and the market, we need to have a little time out and we need to go talk through our differences. At the moment, we're at the stage where we have irreconcilable differences. We're getting very close to a divorce. Today is not the day. Today, remember how I was saying earlier that we might look back and I should have stopped trading? That's kind of ringing pretty loud and clear right now. Unbelievable. Just pain. I mean, what is this? What is this? So stupid. So stupid. We literally have two candles where we drop from the 200s down below the 160s. And then just a green candle that rips up. Like, it's just, I mean, whatever. Whatever, market, whatever. I'll get you back. I'll get you back. You little bastard. I'm just upset. I'm just upset at, I'm just mad. How does that song go? You just gotta be, I just want to be mad or something like that. I need to walk away. Whew. I need to walk away before there's gonna be serious blood on the streets. I need to just collect my thoughts. All right, just give me a minute. Oh, really, Sue Trades? Oh, it's the worst. Oh, tilts are the worst. And here's the thing about, here's the thing I've discovered about trading and tilting and everything. Like, I remember the thing I have to, like, that keeps ringing very, very true is the markets will keep you humble. What would ICT do? I needed that. I need something funny. I need to be, and we need to. Oh, that's funny. No, but what, it keeps me humble. And then I think I was just the other day, like, literally, I kid you not. Like, I'm not even sure it wasn't yesterday. It just seems inevitable. Because yesterday I was literally talking, I think it was to my wife. And I was just saying how much better that my trading has been going. I've been trading so much better, and it's been because I'm just walking away. I know when to walk away, and when I have a, you know, when I'm not seeing it, I've just done really well with not going on tilt, not doing anything crazy, and just walking away. You know, and I'm literally thinking to myself, when I was saying it, I was thinking to myself, I was like, oh, crap. I was thinking, oh, crap, here we go. Oh, and here we are. Here we are. It's just been, I mean, I feel like any time that you pat yourself on the back for how good you're trading or how well you're doing, it's like the market is like, that guy needs a humbling. Whack. Humble. I was definitely humbled today. But you know what? It's okay. It's not terrible. I'm going to wait. I'm going to recap everything at the end of the day. Okay. We had some red, we had some green, but overall, it definitely wasn't a good day. But if I shut down my trading for the day right now, if I do it right now, it's not terrible. You know, easily recoverable. I mean, this account here might not be recoverable. That's what upsets me the most, to be honest. I've had this account for 55 days trading. He was positive after payment. What? I didn't see what you meant. Read my messages. Felipe, what's the problem? Don't feel bad today. I lost 2 accounts. See, that doesn't make me feel better. I'm sorry you lost 2 accounts. I'm sorry, man. What makes me feel better is if someone made like $10,000 today. Or, I don't know. Timbo, I should ban you. I should ban you, Timbo. 4 minis. Come on, Nutty. You know I want to. Do not tempt me. Do not tempt the tilt gods, because they will take over. I'm trying here. I'm trying. Oh my gosh. You do not even want to get me started. Right now, I've already done the math. I've already done the math in my head. This is how tilt sessions work. I've already done the math. If I go with 4 contracts right now, how many ticks do I need to get back to break even? Don't even get me started. Don't even get me started. We're not doing it. I'm not doing it. My hands, I'm showing you my hands. See? No, we need to end it. It's okay. I just need a little time to decompress here. Here's the problem, actually. Like, I'm like 100% real here. If I just end stream quickly, then I am way more likely to keep going on tilt. I like that has in the past. In the past, that is always how it goes. I'll be very upset with a trade, and then I'll go on tilt and I'll just quickly end stream, and then I'll continue the session and just turn it from a bad day into a blow up day. So right now we're decompressing. I'm not upset that it got stopped out here and now it's making new lows. I'm not upset at all. It's totally fine, market. I don't care. It's like doesn't bother me. It does not bother me at all. It's totally fine. I'm not crying. Get some 150. Ooh, you know what? That would scratch my itch. Ooh, that would actually scratch my itch right now. Just buy a 150K account and go, how many contracts am I allowed to trade on a 150K account? We need to research that right now, because that might scratch the itch I have. I will, and it would be a pretty low cost of either A, we're going to pass the account and I would feel great, or B, I'll blow the account and I'll be happy because it was only $40 and it prevented me from continuing to go on tilt on my funded accounts. I mean, technically it's a win-win situation that we're facing right now. So 17 contracts is what I can trade on a 150K. You know what? I kind of feel like that might just be something to do right now. I like the plan. I like the plan. We're going to revenge it. We're going to have a revenge eval session, and there's going to be blood everywhere. This is going to be ugly. Noah, I'm going to have to delete this video because it's going to be for mature audiences only. Hang on. Give me a second. I'm going to buy that eval right now. Nobody is safe, everybody. Nobody is safe. This is going to be ugly. That's right, market. We're coming for you. You better get ready. You better get ready. Come on. Reconnect. So let me buy the accounts and let's go. Time's a wasting. Let me see. Oh my goodness. We're going kind of degenerate mode here, so I do apologize for anyone that has young kids. Anyone that has kids viewing right now, this is not something you should try at home. Not something you should try at home. What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold the fort. Brandon with the $49.99? Let's go. Thank you, Brandon. And you just made my day. Nutty, I found out about Apex through my channel. Let's go. You had your biggest day on my PAs today. 15K. Let's go, man. God bless you, Brandon. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. You don't have to do that, but I really do appreciate it. Let's go. Man, we're back. That $40 eval just became free. How about that? It's free, boys. We're going in. Let's make sure it's here. Let's make sure that we can, all right, I think we're good. I think we got him. We are good, boys. Here we go. We are ready to rumble. All right, here we go. Let's go, Brandon. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Hey, Camper Trades in the house. All right, now, full disclosure, starting right now, until this eval is either passed or blown, nothing can be held against me in whatever I do. All right, this is a safe space right now, okay? This is a safe space. All right, here we go. What is the plan? Maybe we should do the chat trades. Chat might have a better opportunity here than I do. We're going to start with 5 contracts and maybe... Oh, also, this is an eval, so we can DCA like a madman. Thank you, Brandon. You are the man. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. All right. So we need 9,000 in profit. All right. That seems achievable on a day like today. Hang on. All right, I'm going to take a short. First trade. Here we go. What can go wrong? Shorting hasn't worked until maybe now. Guess we'll find out. Now we just sit back and put our feet up and watch this circus unfold. How many cons? We're going 5. We got 5 contracts off the rip here. Ooh, let's go. See? Oh, this is easy. Ha! Trading is easy. What are you guys talking about? This is so easy. Sit back and watch the money be made. Anytime you thought Kid Poker and Rad Poker were the same person, Amelia? Oh dear. That's not good. We are going to be pot committed here to shorts. The market is going to retest the lows here. That is what we're pot committed. If it goes higher, then you know what? We would be what is considered as wrong. But that's okay. Market only goes up. Nope, I'm sick and tired of it. Market's going down. Man, there's like no stress when you trade evals. It's so weird. Feels good. No stress at all. Feels like by the way, who is it? There's a YouTube channel that has a heart rate monitor, and when they're in a trade, their heart rate, you can watch their heart rate, which I think is pretty cool. But it would be interesting to see my heart rate when I'm trading this eval, and then my heart rate when I'm trading my funded accounts, and then my heart rate if I'm copy trading 20 accounts. I'm going to give you a rundown of how I think my heart rate would be. My heart rate right now is like 60 beats a minute, maybe 70. If I'm trading a funded account, it would probably be around 110. If I'm copy trading 20 accounts, my heart rate is like at the 190s. That's, I guarantee it. Pretty sure that would be accurate. All right, we need to really, if we can break this 156 level here, I think we really do have a chance to test these lows here. I really think we got a chance. And we might actually add, if we go below this, I think I'll add to my winner. Will be a real, we'll really go out on a limb. Heart rate in the water with 9 great white sharks will probably be about 120, 130. But there is someone that has that. There's a channel that I follow that has a heart rate monitor when they trade. And it's very interesting because he can always tell when he's in a trade. And it's interesting to see like the heart rate increases when you're getting close to your take profit. And it actually decreases when you're getting close to your stop loss. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, we're going full cowboy mode here, John. Yep, full cowboy mode. Me and the market are doing a hand-to-hand combat today, and I have officially pulled off the gloves, and we're just going at it. We're going at it. We're going to see who can win. The market won the first round. I'm not going to lie. I succeed. I gave up. The first round goes to the market. This is now the second round. We're not out of it yet. Come on, market. Do something. All right, here we go. Rip this below the 150s, and I think we are going to test these lows. You can do it. Very funny, market. Very funny. Ha ha, market. Take that. You thought I would bail? I ain't bailing on an eval. I'll hold this eval until tomorrow morning. Go ahead and test me. Go ahead, market. Try and test me. We got diamond hands when it comes to evals. All right, you're not going to shake me out. Let's go. Would you just go lower? My goodness. It's like pulling teeth over here. Let me rephrase this. If we do not make new lows here, then we might need to reverse our position. We might need to. If we can't break the 150s, then I'm okay. I'm okay reversing my position. I'll hit the old reverse button. No problem. But we gotta see if we actually get above this 180. Gotta see it. Scalping with Tom. I'm not helping. I'm pushing my limits. I'm trying to determine how much smack talk I can give the market before it just rips against me. This is kind of a test. That's right, market. Go lower. Yeah, you heard me. Come on, just rip it. You know you want it. Oh, it's not breaking through these lows. How pathetic is that? Man, it's really not gonna make. Come on. Breakthrough. What in the world? All right, this has got to be it. We got to get through it right here, or I might just reverse this thing. Come on. Rip it lower. You can do it. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. That felt so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm going to actually be mad if this doesn't. I literally, as soon as I hit the button, it broke through to the channel. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so perfect. That is so perfect. That could not have happened in any more perfect way. Like I said, nothing I do can be held against me. All right? This is... Oh, it... It's all right. That's okay still. We're okay right now. But that was pretty sad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I reversed it. I thought we weren't going to break through. And then we did as soon as I hit the button. Precisely when I hit it. Look at where my fill was. Okay, this is, I mean, this might be a good way to end it. Unbelievable. I mean, unbelievable. Oh. It's the breakthrough we wanted. Unbelievable. Now I'm just stuck. Should have held. Should have held. Really no reason to bail. No reason to bail there. Well, do I just take my medicine here? Unbelievable. We would almost have this account. We'd have it at almost halfway there now if I just kept it. Stupid. Unbelievable. Right now, it's just all about if it's going to double bottom or not. We might as well wait and see. Hey, you know what? This is a great opportunity to DCA. We're going to see if we double bottom. It's going to be make or break time. Abort mission, abort mission. People just tuning in probably think I'm trading a funded account or something. Think it's... Come on, really? Don't do me like this. Well, this at least, this feels better than continuing to trade funded accounts. If we look on the positive side of things. All right, here we go. We're going to test. Oh, come on, just fill me. DCA, let's go. Man, that felt good. Oh, we are going to hit our drawdown here. Immediate. If this doesn't hold, we're at the... Oh, we're right on it. See? There you go. That is a perfect way to end it. Perfect. A precisely perfect way to end it. Unbelievable. Should have just held. Should have just held. Nope, I'm not doing another one. I feel better now. I feel way better. I feel better, and confirmation that it's time to stop. It's time to stop trading. I have no problem hitting that button right now. I got no problem walking away. The itch was scratched. So yeah. Wendy's, I'm going to go eat Wendy's. I might actually even go golfing this afternoon. Maybe I'll go golfing just to get me in a good frame of mind. Make sure I don't... I'm going to shut off trading, though. This is where I will definitely use Guardian Angel Trader and just end my trading for the day. And it's okay. He tanked the market and taught Nutty a lesson. The market did not like me smack talking. What's crazy is I should have just held. If I just held, we'd be very close to passing the account. That's what's crazy. But that pretty much sums up my day. Whatever button I hit was the wrong button. And wow, look at this sell-off though. That's crazy. All right, guys, I am going to end it. Time to end the bloodshed. Call it a day. Walk away. And the carnage wasn't too bad. The carnage was not too bad. Obviously, this account, I'm my streaming account, I'm very sad about because now it doesn't look good. It does not look good. But again, Brandon, big shout out to Brandon for the $49.99 donation. I really do appreciate that. I hope you guys all had a great day of trading. I hope you all are green. I hope you're trading better than I am. But we'll be back tomorrow and hopefully not have a repeat of today. So take care, everybody. Stay green and have a great rest of your day. And God bless.